open.
You good, man? That's my guy, man. We good? You good, man? You good? Yeah, I know you good, man. I feel you, man. You gonna be all right, huh? God, we gonna be all right, huh? It's gonna be all right, man. Yeah, it's gonna be all right, dude. Now you got character scars and stuff, huh? Yeah, man. It's all right, though. My boy only like 10 and a half months old. Got into his first little scuffle. But he'll be all right, though. Yes, sir. I'm gonna take y'all back there. I'm waiting for her husband to get home so I could talk to him about this situation here and how we gonna handle it. I'm gonna show y'all the fence that his dog's knocked over to get to my dog. All right, man. I'm waiting here for this vet to get up in here. I'll get back at y'all. All right, y'all, what we got here, as you see, official Mopar licensed product. Yes, these are the hood shock covers. I think I said that right, hood shock covers. I'm gonna put that on to go along with this beautiful yellow motor, engine. Some people want to call it a motor, some people want to call it an engine, but you know what it is. It's the heart to make it go. And let me tell you right now, you're gonna need this right here so the hood don't fall on your head when you take it down. But we're gonna put it right over this here, and I'm gonna show you a nice little install. So as you can see, this is well crafted. It's engraved. It's from American Brother Designs. And yeah, so let's get ready to this. So first off, we're gonna twist this off. Just loosen it up a little bit. You don't want to twist it too much. Just loosen it up. And you'll need something to unhinge a little hook in here that holds it snap on together, but don't pull it out too far. You just want to pull out just a little bit to where you can get that off. And unfortunately, wasn't paying attention. I blocked the video off right here, so later on when I do the other side, I'll just show that part instead of showing the whole installation. So yeah, you just want to put that on there and pop that off and swing it around. Screw the top, that part where you just that you put the little thing in to pull it out. I use needle nose pliers, or if you have a better tool to use that. Now you want to put a little oil on the tip or something, some kind of lubricant. And I'm gonna tell you now, if you use oil, just very little, just a dab. On this one, I put a little bit too much, so kind of like slid on, and then it was like sliding down on its own. You know what I'm saying? So I had to take it off and wipe it off. But anyway, there's an O-ring in there that you have to get past over the actual shock, and that's hold it in place. So that's what the oil is for. But yeah, it'll go on real easy. You put the top back on and spin it around, and it snaps right back into position, and you tighten it back up. And simple as that, like this. So once you put it around like that, all you have to do now is just turn the top part around, line it back up with the hole where you popped it off from, and it'll snap back on, with very little resistance. And just turn it, and then you could just line it up just like that. So you just turn this, screw it back on, and then twist it around. Might have to raise the hood up a little bit just to line it back in. Boom, as you see, it just pops back in. Then you adjust how you want this to look. Wipe it off, because your hands are probably dirty. And bam. All right, time for side number 2. Reposition the 2x4. This We don't need that hood falling down on top of my head. Okay, so I'm not gonna get full detail on this side. I'm just gonna basically show you the process of taking it off, because on this side already I showed you the full process. Just my body got in the way of disconnecting it from the hood itself. All right, let's do side number 2. First, we'll start off by loosening this up again, lefty loosey, and get that off. Needle nose pliers. Make sure your 2x4 or whatever you're using to hold and support that hood is secure. Yeah, because that could have been real ugly. Anyway, now let's get back to what we're doing. All right, zoom in here. It's a little slot right there. You see that little slot right there? Okay, stick that in, pop that out. Yeah. It should just smooth pop off. Screw the top and repeat the process from earlier. All right, so right here is where I was talking about. Here's a close-up. That's where you would get your device, whatever you're using, needle nose pliers or some type of upholstery pulling pin, anything. Anyway, put it underneath there, pull it out halfway, not all the way off, just halfway enough to where you can disengage it from the hood. All right, so there you go, man. I think it came out pretty good, man. Match up pretty well with the colors. American Brother Designs hood shot covers. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you ain't hit it by now. Hit that bell notification. And don't forget to share, because sharing is caring, baby. Peace out.